Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here in this tutorial, we are going to work on mesh of that general bearing model. So okay, let's start. Double click on model, and then we will be going to model here. So same geometry. We have applied material here. Coordinate system also we have created in earlier tutorial. Connection we have seen. So this is mesh. So if we right click and generate mesh, automatically it will generate a mesh. So what we are going to do, global mesh control, we are going to here element size, right now it's the default. So first we will try by putting 15 mm, then generate mesh. So now you can see the element size has been increased, and also from here we can check nodes are 35,000 and 17,752 element. So again we will change the size from 15 mm to 4 mm. Then update mesh. So you can see now element size has been changed. And also if we see number of nodes also increased and elements also increased. Earlier it was 17,000 something, now it's 36,000. Now what we are going to do, we are going again and change it to 5 mm and keeping this adaptive sizing. Yes, okay, update. Now what we have to do, we are going to put here no. Now if we check what happens, so you can see in case of adaptive sizing, keeping it on, here it was showing some small elements, but after putting no, it is not showing that one. So wherever flats and anything are there, so there it was adapting size. So again we can go there, keeping it on, update. So now you can see. Okay, then what we are going to do, mesh, insert. Here there are number of options are there. So we are going to make a sizing for the two housing. So we have to select body, this, and press Ctrl this, apply element size. We are going to make it by 3 mm. Okay, so now update. So you can see 3 mm we have created for this. Similarly, we are going to insert sizing for bearing. This and this, apply element size, we are going to keep 1.5 mm. Okay, insert sizing for these grounds. Apply. Here we are going to put 6. Insert sizing, and now rings. Where are those rings? One is here, another is this one. Apply, and here 1 mm. Okay, next insert sizing, small pulley, apply here 2 mm. Okay, now we are going to update mesh. So you can see for different parts we can also create body sizing. So here it was 2 mm, 3 mm here 1.5 mm, and this one is 6 mm. Okay, thank you.